Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for April. This came super late. I guess there was issues with the post office, and St. Louis is like the nearby closest post office, and it sat with them for almost 12 days. So super late on this one. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. But here is the card that lists all the products on the inside. So I'll set that aside for a moment. The bag feels very light this month. Let's see, this says Feel. It's a 4D hydraulic acid under eye cream. I have a little sample of that. Also have Makeup Milk Kush Mascara. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, so that's exciting, and I love mascara. Nice thick brush. So happy to have that. Then I have Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer, all day long lasting nourishment and hydration. I've had their peel off masks and I've really enjoyed them, so that's cool. Definitely use that. Then I have Serum Kind Facial Serum, Black Blossom Drop. See if I can get it out without ruining my nails. Packagings are always like so tightly in there. Oh, that's cool. So I have that. And the last item, an eye primer. I think this is the one that I picked. I got to pick an item. And this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Very cool. So they already emailed me to pick my item for my May bag. So hopefully that will be here soon. And it won't get tied up like this last one. But if you guys are interested, I do have a playlist going of all my Ipsy bags that I've had for the past several years. And if you guys would like to join, I'll have a link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.